Good evening, children. I hope everyone are doing fine. As you all know that midterm exam commences this month last week. So here I am making a video of revision of first 3 chapters, that is nutrition in plants, nutrition in animals and fiber to fabric. As I have given the exam portions, children, it is from chapter 1 to chapter 9. That is nutrition in plants, nutrition in animals, fiber to fabric, heat, acid, bases and salts, physical and chemical change, weather, climate and adaptation of animals to climate, wind, storms and cyclones, and soil. Okay, so let us revise these 3 chapters, new types. Coming to the first chapter, that is nutrition in plants, let us look the exercise part. In this video, we shall learn only the new types, that is fill in the blanks, true or false, match the following, okay, and give one word answer. Fine. So first let us look this question, that is question number 6. Fill in the blanks. Green plants are called dash since they synthesize their own food. So what do you call organism which synthesize their own food? That is autotrophs. Auto means self. Tropes means preparing. Okay, self preparation of food. Okay, so green plants are called autotrophs since they synthesize their own food. The food synthesized by plants is stored as dash. So whatever the food is synthesized by plants, in what form do they store? That is starch. Answer is starch. Next question. In photosynthesis, solar energy is absorbed by the pigment called chlorophyll. So where does chlorophyll is present? Chlorophyll is present in green leaves. So that is a pigment which makes the leaves looks green in color. So this pigment is going to absorb solar energy and helps in the process of photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, plants take in dash. So what happens when there is photosynthesis? When there is a photosynthesis, what plant utilize? Which gas do plant utilize? That is carbon dioxide. And what do they give us? So after breathing, they give us oxygen, isn't it? So name the following. A parasitic plant with yellow, slender and branched stem. So you have learned, right, children? It is Cuscuta plant. Okay, it is a parasitic plant because it takes the support of another tree and it will grow. A plant that is partially autotrophic, partially in the sense it can synthesize also and it also depend on other organisms for food. For example, pitcher plant, or else you can write insectivorous plants also. You have many examples under insectivorous plants. Next, the pores through which leaves exchange gases. So what are that pores called as? That is stomata. Okay. Now tick the correct answer. Question number 8. So question number 6, 7, 8. I am revising. So what is the first question? Cuscuta is an example of. Just now you have learnt it is a parasitic, right? So answer is parasite. Next, the plant which traps and feeds on insect is, that is pitcher plant. It is partially autotrophic. Now coming to question number 9, that is match the following. They have given 2 columns, that is column 1 and column 2. First one is chlorophyll. So it matches with leaf. It is a pigment present in leaf which makes leaf to look green in color. Now nitrogen, next question, rhizobium. So nitrogen, so rhizobium is a bacteria which is present in the root nodules which helps in absorption of atmospheric nitrogen and makes into soluble form, and it is utilized by the plants. Next is Cuscuta. Cuscuta is a parasite, right? Because it takes the help of another plant to grow and utilize nutrition from it. Next is animals. Animals are said to be heterotrophs. That means the organism which can't synthesize their own food. Next is insects. So that is pitcher plant. It is a pitcher plant is going to depend on insects for their food, right? Next, mark T if the statement is true and F if it is false. So first question, you should state true or false. That is question number 10. Carbon dioxide is released during photosynthesis. Is it so? Plant release oxygen. So the statement is wrong. So what do you mark it as? False. Plants which synthesize their food are called saprotrophs. False. Plants which synthesize their food are called autotrophs. Now next question, the product of photosynthesis is not protein. Yes, it is true. The product of photosynthesis is not a protein. By the way, it is starch. The statement is true. Solar energy is converted to chemical energy during photosynthesis. Yes, of course, it is true. Next, we shall look into choose the correct option. That is question number 11. That is, which part of the plant takes in carbon dioxide from the air for photosynthesis? That is stomata. Choose the correct option from the following. Plants take carbon dioxide. That is question number 12. Plants take carbon dioxide from the atmosphere mainly through their leaves. So leaves is a transport system here. Okay. They are absorbing a gas, atmospheric gas, that is carbon dioxide.